Hello everyone, I'm Hannah Biagaspar from BSIT3A and welcome to my presentation on linear regression using IRIS dataset. Load required libraries. NumPy and Pandas for data handling and numerical operation. Seaborn and Matplotlib PyPlat for creating data visualization. Warnings to suppress warning message for clearer output. Step 2 is about configure Seaborn. In this code, set style dark red is a set of background style for plots. Figure fig size is adjust the size of figures for better visibility. Filter warnings or ignore hides warning messages. Max column ensure that all columns are shown when displaying a data frame. Step 3 is about load and preview the dataset. Loads the dataset from the CSV file, datahead, display the first 5 rows of the dataset to get an overview. Data visualization. Drop ID, remove the ID column, not used for analysis. Per plot, plot pairwise relationship in the dataset with different colors for each species. Map upper triangle uses scatter plots. Map lower triangle uses KDE density plots. Map species to numeric values. We convert categorical species names to numerical labels for regression. Setosa equals 1, versicolor equals 2, virginica equals 3. Prepare the input and output. X remove ID and species keeps numeric features. Y converts species names into numbers 1, 2, 3. Add bias column intercept. Adds a column of 1s to x for the bias term intercept in the linear equation. Initialize theta. Initialize theta is randomly we have 5 inputs, 4 features plus 1 bias. Training using gradient descent. In this code, loops run for multiple iterations to minimize error. Calculate cost, the mean of squared error. Theta is updated each time using gradient descent formula. Make predictions. In this code, makes final prediction using train theta. NP round is used since we're dealing with class label 1. Plot error versus iterations. In this code, plots how the error decreases as training progresses. Help visualize the learning process and convergence.